In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to fix stick drift in PlayStation 5 Minecraft, and whether or not it is possible to do this. Now, if you are experiencing stick drift on your DualSense controller on your PlayStation 5, and you notice that this happens with only Minecraft, then usually this is because Minecraft Bedrock has had issues for years related to stick drift. It is most notable when you move your camera inside of a world. Now, unfortunately, if you browse through all of the settings, you go into the controller settings, even though you can change stuff like the camera speed and other aspects about the controller, one thing that isn't going to be accessible is anything related to stick drift. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, you have to determine if this issue only happens with Minecraft or if it happens with all games, because the answer basically depends on this. If you notice that stick drift is happening on your DualSense controller on your PlayStation 5 across every single game that you play, then it is easy to determine that the problem is indeed your controller. So you will have to either replace your controller or take it to an expert to actually fix this. While it is possible for you to open your controller and clean it up a little bit, this is something that I cannot be responsible for showing in this type of video. It is a lengthy process that you should take your time and carefully consider. So the best option available, like I said, is take it to a technician or a repair expert. Besides this, if it is only happening with Minecraft, once again, there is no known solution to this. A lot of people have complained about stick drift related only to Minecraft Bedrock Edition, and if you browse through all of the communities where people made comments about this, such as Reddit, it's still not fixed, and it seems to be a bug attributed to only Bedrock Edition. It is an unsolved bug, and unless Mojang releases an update in the future to address this, it is not going to go away. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that Minecraft Bedrock Edition has had bugs related to stick drift for years now, and unless Mojang resolves this, it is going to remain an issue. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.